Hello, this is Sharon Narain, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in gorgeous Florida. Oh my gosh, it's burning up today. I think it's at like about 75, 80 degrees. And folks, I just want to, as a matter of fact, I just dropped my husband off the dialysis center, and I have to come back to pick him up later on today, this afternoon. Like about three. Takes like about 3 hours or so, 3 to 4 hours. It all depends, They have to prep him and get certain things situated before they start the real dialysis. So I'm heading on back home now. We'll probably stop by, on my way going to run a couple of errands. And now it's like about 4:10. So, folks, here's the deal. With having a home-based business, folks, I mean, all of this is possible. Now think about it. If I do not have a home-based business, all right, do you think it would be possible for me to drive my husband, bring him over, for him to get his dialysis? I don't think that will be possible, right? Because if I had a corporate job, at 4 o'clock, then of course, I would still have to be at work, right? Now, I remember back in those days, I had wanted some time off to be with my mom. Yeah, she was sick, and I could not get a time off. I had to put in for leave and all of that, and you name it. It was a real hassle. So the moral of the story, folks, is that if you would like to know what exactly I do now so that I can be able to have the time, freedom, to take my husband for dialysis. Matter of fact, it's only yesterday he got out from the hospital. I never leave my husband alone. I always be with him in the hospital, talking to doctors and nurses and making sure, all is well. So that's what I do, and I could not have done that if you think about it. I could not have done that if I had, a 9 to 5 job. I could not have done that. So, folks, it is real. This is real. It is real to really have, and I'm not bashing anyone who have their, their corporate job, their 9 to 5 job or 8 to 4 job. I am not bashing anybody. Kudos to you, because I was there at one time, like as I said. But gone are those days. I see it fitting to really, to be my own boss. So, folks, if you would like to know exactly what I do now from the comfort of my home, and I'm generating extra income, to pay my bills, to do my stuff, and yet be there, for my loved ones, you definitely need to talk with me. Reach out to me, okay? I'm very transparent. My number is 352-805-9846, 352-805-9846. And if you can text me, that is okay to do. That's the best way as well. At any rate, folks, I am talking about, I have a few online and offline business. Now, one of them I'm so passionate about is this direct mailing club. You can check it out at fastcashwithsharon.com. Again, that's fastcashwithsharon.com. And as well as you can go to wealthwithsharon.com, and that's WealthWithSharon.com, wealthwithsharon.com. I will, folks, first of all, if you could hit the bell, all right, this will notify you whenever I'm doing my video. And also, if you could click on the subscribe button, that button, I do appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel so you can be able to see all my videos as well. And also, I'm gonna drop the link down below of all the business that I'm in. And folks, you can reach out, like as I said, reach out to me. These are amazing, wonderful business that anyone can do as long as you're 18 years of age and over. All right, very, very simple. And as a matter of fact, this is essentially good for those entrepreneurs like myself, caregivers, for those, retirees, college kids, you name it. Okay, anyone can do this, folks. Stay-home moms, dads, parents, grandparents, retirees. Definitely you want to check it out, okay? I'm pulling in my driveway here now. So, okay, folks, again, my name's Sharon Narine, and I am looking forward to be hearing from you, talking to you. Find me on Facebook. Let's reach out. Let's talk. Okay, take care. Peace out. Bye for now.